These are some happy people here because they were able to take part in a great giveaway. And who doesn't want that? It's sort of like walking out the door and then something nice happens to you. Gee, that would be great. And it includes some good swag. Swag is some desirable objects. And I've got some bags that are waiting to be filled with your swag. Hi, everybody. It's Shirley Meerson here, and I'm so glad that you stopped by to hear about my giveaway. And what in the heck are all these funny little boxes and presents jumping up and down? Well, I don't know if you could have guessed it by now. Maybe, maybe not. But I've started a Patreon channel, and I really would love for you to join me over there. And the giveaway all is about having the first 10 people who are members get my personally curated, picked out, my stress survival swag bag. I've never done it before like that. And, I decided to do Patreon because I can be very versatile there. I can bring in a lot of different things, and I would really appreciate you supporting me over there. You're going to really love it. It's like having a little wellness channel. You can come open up, your Patreon, and you can dial in to see what's going on. Everything from research, inspirations, everything, you name it. It's all there under the realm of stress management and lifestyle habits. Now I've got 4 memberships to choose from there. And by the way, this is the top banner, giving you a little bit of idea, some of the mindset and healthy eating and different things of what goes on. And here's a little sneak peek into my monthly marketing calendar. I'm not just throwing spaghetti at the wall, folks. It's a lot of freebies and good things coming your way. Now, here's the first of the 4 memberships. That's called Self-Care, and this beautiful flower is called Relaxation Station. They're all different price points. These wonderful hands here are called Energia, and the top creme de la creme membership here is called Bamboo, and it comes with your own coaching session per month. I mean, that is quite amazing. So let me remind you, there's this giveaway to the first 10 people who become members on my Patreon. They'll receive my stress survival swag bag that I've personally picked out and put together, sent off to you. Here's a replica of some of the things that are inside. They may be the exact thing or something close to it that all of us lifestyle people and stress management can really use. That is for sure. I picked it out because these are things that I would want. So, my friends, be the first 10 to receive my stress survival bag. It would really make me feel great. Thank you so much for watching today. Please subscribe, hit that bell for, notification when I'm posting, like and comment. And I look forward to seeing you here again. There is so much to see here on YouTube, but most of all, visit me on my new Patreon channel and be the first 10. I am sending my wellness wishes to you always.